Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet with 4 toes on each. The claws and feet help them to catch its food. Claws and feet help them to walk, help them to swim, help them to climb and perch. Wading birds. These birds have long, thin legs and sharp toes to wade. Look at the crane. It is moving hardly in muddy water to catch its prey. Crane and heron are wading birds. Perching birds. These birds have 3 long toes in front and one at back. This type of feet help them to hold the branch of trees firmly and perch. Example: sparrow and crow.